The fourth product on our list is the Hamilton Beach Juicer. If you're looking for a juicer that can handle all of your needs, look no further than the Hamilton Beach Juicer machine. This powerful machine is able to juice everything from kale to broccoli, and it can even be used to make nut butters. The Hamilton Beach Juicer machine comes with 4 different attachments, so you can use it as a food processor or blender. It has a powerful motor that pulverizes fruits and vegetables with ease. You can get up to 30% more juice out of your fruits and vegetables than other juicers. It also comes with a convenient spout so you don't have to stop the machine while you pour the juice into a cup or glass. This juicer is the perfect way to get your daily serving of fruits and veggies. It can extract juice from an array of fruits and vegetables, and you can try it on carrots, apples, citrus fruits, leafy greens, and more. It has a 700-watt motor that's powerful enough to crush ice and frozen fruit. It also comes with 2 containers, one for storing juice while you're making it and another for storing finished beverages. That way, you don't have to worry about making multiple trips back and forth between the kitchen and your refrigerator. The unit also comes with a timer, so you can set it up before leaving the house and come back to freshly made juice waiting for you. The Hamilton Beach Juicer is easy to clean and assemble. For cleaning, just rinse out its parts with warm water and place them in a dishwasher after you're finished using it. This juicer can handle whatever you throw at it.